Well, hello people, how you going? Today, I've got some new items and we're just gonna go through them and see what I've got. So I have two Australian florins, yeah, but I don't really like to collect those. This one, Sultans of Delhi Force Tanker. So this is supposed to be in billion. But this one's in copper, so this one was forced on the population. But I'll do another video on that. That's a very exciting coin. I'm very happy to actually get that. So let's get on with what I've got. But beforehand, I like to give this seller a plug. So this is one of his coins. It's I'm not going to mention the country because you're not allowed to put it on eBay. The country anyway. But this is, where is he? There he is. Bad to Sin. No, that's pretty good feedback. 100% is probably preferable. But I'll leave a link down to his eBay. I've brought quite a few things off him and I've always received them and the service is very good. This is not an affiliate link, so I just thought I'd say that because I don't get any money. It's just, you know, if you enjoy someone's company then and their service, then why not give them a good reputation? So the reason why, part of the reason why I like him is because I overpaid for postage, about £5, or £7 was it? I can't remember. You can keep £2, I don't care. But he was kind enough to send me this £5 banknote, which I don't have. It's actually quite a small banknote. So yeah, I'll do a review of this pound banknote. And I actually quite like it. It's beautiful. So this is in return for excess postage. So I'm very happy to actually get that. So what coins did I get? So the first coin that I got is a Belize coin, 2003. And if we look on the reverse, it has I think this is a Mary Gillick, from memory. So I could be wrong, but they actually use this effigy from the 1950s. So they haven't changed it on their coins, but when they issue a new denomination, they actually put a new effigy on. So this is an older $1 that they use, and the effigy is different, but this effigy is used on current coins. So Belize coins are actually a bit harder to get, and I was lucky enough to start building up my collection. Coins that are easy to get, Canada. So 1982 $1. That Queen's effigy is pretty bad, and it celebrates Bingett's 135 years since the Constitution. And 125 years. God, my maths is a bit bad. So that coin I'll do review later. And what I like to get, if you haven't got, is these 10 rubles from Russia. This is 2013, and they either celebrate a region or a city. So this one, it's upside down. So this one, Narogomik, I need to transliterate that. That just means taking the Cyrillic letters and turn them into Latin. So that's good. So that's another one to my collection. Saudi Arabia 100 halala. So this is a 1 real. And I did have this coin set, but I sold it. So that is another one for my collection. And then I have a 2 krona, quite a big coin. Is it bigger than the 20-cent coin? Let's have a look. Oh yeah, bigger than the 20-cent. But this is actually a low mint coin, so not too sure on the actual mintage. I believe they're about between 1 and 2 million. And this one's in high grade. I don't really like the effigy of Gustav, but anyway, it's going into my collection as well. Now some of these coins I'll probably have doubles in my collection, so I'll probably flog off on eBay. Like this one, I've already got this, so I don't really need it. It's a Ireland 1978, 10 pence. These are demonetised. Ireland now uses the euro. And any other Irish coins? Yeah, I've got the 5 pence. Has a bull on it. 1 penny. And I'm not too sure why I brought these, because I already got these, so I just have to get rid of them. Half penny. 2 penny. So what date is that? 1971. These are all pretty common coins. But I find what you need to do is you actually need to buy bulk sets so that you can get a certain coin. So you've got 20 pence from Ireland. This is a nice large coin, 1986. This is the first year. They actually were minted in 1985 as well, but they were test coins, so if you got that, it's actually a very rare coin. And then I have, I've got another Saudi Arabian. I think I got that one. I needed, this is what I was talking about. I needed the 100 halala, not the 50 or the 10, which I already have. And I actually got 2 more. So you need to buy, if you need to buy, you know, lots of coins for 1 coin, then just do it. Okay, another one I need for my collection is this one. 10 cent, 1986, at Malta. And I've just done a video on that. Oh, sorry, that's not the coin I need. This is the one I need. The 25 cent. And 1986. Yes, where do you have Maltese coins? God, they like to disappear. The 5 cent and the 2 cent. So I needed that. And do I have a 1 cent? No. I need to get the 1 cent still. Oh no, I've got the 1 cent. Here it is. So 1, 2 and 25 cent. And I need the 1 lira. I did purchase it off him, but it's in another package. So, oh, Cuba, 5 cent. Got plenty of these. But this one seems to be a bit of an error coin. So that is why I got that. And I actually brought that with some other coins like this Jamaican 10 cent, 9.89, Barbados 1 cent. That's it. Not really worth keeping that one. I think I'll throw it in as a free coin to someone. And also I've got this. This is a current coin that circulates in Costa Rica. It's 20 colones. It's worth about 20 cents. So 500 colones is $1. And it's quite a big coin. So Costa Rica actually has the biggest coins of the Americas that are in circulation. This one is nearly as big as a 20 cent, as you can see. And the 500 colones is probably as big as a 50 cents. So they actually have the largest coins in the Americas. Then I've got a lot of Greek coins. So these are all not the last drachma, like the 1 and 2 were replaced in 1988, I believe. The 5 and 10 circulated until the end. The 20 was changed in 1990. So here we have the Acropolis, that's on the front, 20 drachma. Here we have Pericles. He was a famous general during the Athenian War. He died in 330 BC of the plague. And if you read the Peloponnesian Wars, it's very fascinating. So this one doesn't have any, just the image. And this one has Aristophanes. So you should know he's a famous philosopher. And here we have the atom. So we have the electrons going around the central atom, which has the neutron and the proton. And here we have Democritus. So that theory is associated with him. And I'm not too sure who actually on the 1 and 2. So here we have an old sailing ship, 1978. This is the coin I actually needed. I don't have this coin. So that's why I got this set. And I believe these are leaders in the War of Independence from the Turkish Empire, or Ottoman Empire, same thing, the old Turkish. 2 drachma. And here's another one. I'm not even going to read that. It's too long a name. I'm an Australian. I don't read long names. And this one is a nice large 1 penny from Ireland. So it has a chicken with hens down the bottom. Or hen. Sorry, hen with the chicks down the bottom. So hen's a female chicken. 1963. Probably a few million minted. So that I just don't have a used one of that. And the other coins I have are from, so I've got Isle of Man 1 penny, so I don't really have that one. It's a little bit damaged, has a goat, and it also has a map of the Isle of Man at the back, as you can see. So the capital is Douglas, and they have their own language, Mansk, which is nearly extinct, so 1976, so it's a nice coin to get. I have an Isle of Man, so I got a 5 pence. And the thing about Isle of Man is that since 1971 they've actually had 8 different coin series, so 8 different coins that they've issued for circulation. So yeah, this one has a not a Ferris wheel, it's a water wheel, so that's used for agriculture or producing energy for some other device. And the 10 pence is no longer, 5 pence. This one is no longer in circulation. They have a smaller one. So, and here I have the 1972. This has the, what is it called? Tresca. So you'll find this symbol of the 3 legs also in Sicily. You find it probably in some towns in Germany. And the ancient Lycians use this on their coinage. So if you get some Lycian coins, which are actually quite expensive, they actually use that, 1972. And here I have a 10 pence. So 10 pence, larger coin, 1978. And here over, same one, 1976. I actually quite like that coin. I actually like the Triscus. And here we have 25 pence. This one is from, is that Guernsey? Oh yeah, Guernsey. Bailiwick of Guernsey. So that's a current effigy they use. That's a small coat of arms down there. And these ones are equivalent in value to the UK pound. You cannot use these in the UK, but you know, they're the same size, so people probably do. And here it has cogs with the map of Guernsey, I presume. So it's a nice coin. Going to Numista to check them, see if it actually is. 5 pence from, is that Guernsey as well? Yeah, Guernsey. So I'm trying to build up my collection of Guernsey, Jersey, St Helena, Falkland Islands, and Isle of Man coins. So East Caribbean 10 cent. Oh, sorry, this one, 50 lepta of Greece, and this one has another independence leader. That's what's his name? So Marcos more stories. Map stories? No, I have to look him up. And a coin that I don't come across quite often. This is a Cuba 1 cent. It is dated, date's probably on the back. Oh yeah, 1953. So before the revolution. And this is 1853, 1953. Centennial di Marti, so probably his birth year. So that's an interesting commemorative coin I don't have. And here I have another Mance coin, same one as before, same damage. That's a pity. I still have to hunt around for those. And the last one I got, very interesting, has a cow. It says Jersey cow. Bailiwick. Guernsey. It's no variant, so Guernsey starts from there. And that is an update on my current coin collection. So I know it's a bit long, but you don't have to watch the whole video, and I'd like to say thank you very much for watching it, and have an awesome coin collecting time, people. If you have any questions, please leave them down below. I will start making videos to answer people's questions, and yeah, just keep coin collecting. Thank you, and bye bye.